To other news now, the police are investigating the shooting death of a teacher at the Sandy Bank Basic School in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth. The incident happened in full view of her colleagues and students. Cordian Barrett has the details.
Students and teachers at the Sandy Bank Basic School in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth have been left shocked and traumatized following the shooting death of a teacher, 26-year-old Chanel Smith. It's reported that Miss Smith, who is from the community, arrived at the school about 7:50 a.m. Two men dressed in hooded sweaters and masks were parked at the gate pretending to repair their motorcycle. Eyewitnesses say one of the men pulled a firearm and shot Miss Smith as she approached the gate. The men then fled the scene. Her father is distraught.
This morning, the last thing she said to me, "Daddy, pass me school shoes." She not even said daddy, she said that. Pass me school shoes, you know. Right? I just imagine when she feel the first shot this man, she must have said to herself, and "Daddy kill me now." And I think, God, is this real? Is this real? And the problem I'm having, Jamaica have no justice system to correct this problem.
The incident has also left the community puzzled, as the deceased teacher was not known to be involved in wrongdoing.
My angel and trouble people. So this just shocking. In every kind of way shocking. To be frank and to be truthful.
Everybody is just in shock. They keep saying they're in, like it's a fairy tale and it's not real. I think they're still in shock. So they are seeking medical assistance at this time.
Ms. Smith has been working at the school since 2018. The institution is now closed until further notice. In the meantime, other stakeholders are condemning the brutal killing.
Please stop taking the life of our teachers. Stop harassing our teachers. When we kill our teachers, then what do we leave the nation to become? And I'm asking all who would have witnessed this gruesome act to pass on the information to the police so that justice can be served.
The police must leave no stones unturned in bringing these cowardly and vicious criminals to justice. So I'm appealing to anyone that has any information to please share it with the authorities. We cannot allow this act of cowardice to go unpunished.
In a release earlier today, Southwest St. Elizabeth MP Floyd Green indicated that he has contacted the Early Childhood Commission to provide counseling services for the children and the teachers. The Ministry of Health and Wellness was also contacted to help in providing counseling for the family. Cordian Barrett, TVJ News.